This video is based on the knowledge and strategies of Elon Musk, so let's begin. Elon Musk is a name synonymous with revolutionizing industries. From electric vehicles at Tesla to space exploration with SpaceX, he's an icon for the modern entrepreneur. But beyond these impressive ventures, Musk has a set of principles that he's shared over the years, which aren't just applicable to billion-dollar companies, but to anyone who is serious about changing their financial future. Musk didn't start as a billionaire. He came from humble beginnings, and his journey is a masterclass in persistence, innovation, and smart financial moves. Today, we're diving into the 12 strategies Musk has either demonstrated or revealed himself that can help you escape poverty and transform your financial life in 2025. These strategies are not just theoretical. They are actionable, based on Musk's own success, and they can be implemented by anyone. Whether you're starting with $100 or $100,000, whether you're struggling with your finances or looking to boost your wealth, the strategies we'll discuss today can make a huge difference. So get ready to change your approach to money, business, and wealth building. Let's dive into the first two strategies to start building your foundation for financial freedom. Tactic 1. Focus on problem solving, not just profits. Elon Musk's success has always been rooted in solving big problems. It's easy to think that wealth comes from chasing profits directly, but the reality is that the wealth follows when you solve significant problems. Musk's ventures, such as creating electric cars with Tesla or developing reusable rockets with SpaceX, are not simply about making money. They are about improving the world. Musk says, if you want to make money, focus on solving problems that matter, that will impact millions of lives. For instance, when Musk founded Tesla, the world wasn't exactly asking for electric cars. Gas-powered cars dominated the market, and electric vehicles were often seen as impractical. But Musk saw a significant problem, climate change, and a potential solution in electric cars. He understood that solving a pressing global issue would not only create a positive impact on the environment, but it would also lead to massive business opportunities. So, if you want to build wealth like Musk, focus on solving big problems. Look for opportunities that can change the world, or at least make a significant impact. Think about industries that are ripe for disruption, like renewable energy, healthcare, or education. When you focus on solving problems that benefit many people, wealth will naturally follow. Action. Step. Take some time to think about the challenges you face in your own life or community. What are the problems that need solutions? Once you start focusing on this mindset, wealth becomes a natural byproduct. Write down 3 problems that need solving. Then, brainstorm ways you could solve them. Tactic 2. Think long-term, not for quick wins. Musk is famous for thinking decades ahead. His investments, like SpaceX and Tesla, were not based on a quick return. Tesla took years to become profitable, and SpaceX faced major challenges before launching successful missions. Musk's advice is clear. Don't focus on the immediate rewards. Think about what will matter in 10, 20, or 30 years. This is the essence of long-term thinking. Many people get trapped in the idea that financial success is about immediate gains, about flipping houses, trading stocks for quick profits, or looking for shortcuts. While these methods can work in the short term, true wealth comes from long-term vision and dedication. Musk's companies were built on the belief that their impact would be felt for generations. Tesla isn't just about selling cars, it's about creating a sustainable future for energy. SpaceX isn't just about sending rockets into space, it's about making humanity a multi-planetary species. Think about your own financial future. Are you focusing on short-term results? Or are you building something that will pay off in the long run? Action step. Reflect on your financial goals. Are they short-term or long-term? If you find that your goals are focused too much on the present, take a step back and think about what you want to accomplish in 5, 10, or even 30 years. Adjust your strategy to align with a long-term vision. Tactic 3. Build scalable systems. Scalability is a key principle that Elon Musk leverages in all his businesses. Musk doesn't just create products, He creates systems that can scale quickly. Tesla, for example, started with one model, but is now building a variety of electric cars. SpaceX began with one rocket, but is now developing multiple models and reusable technology. What this means for you. Look for ways to create systems in your life that can grow and expand over time. Maybe it's an online business, a digital product, or a service you can automate. The key is scalability. For example, if you're considering starting a business, don't just focus on the product you're selling. Instead, ask yourself, how can this business grow? How can it serve a larger audience? How can I create a system where the business runs on its own? One of Musk's key strategies with Tesla and SpaceX was developing repeatable, scalable processes that could allow both companies to grow quickly. Tesla didn't just create a car, it created a model that could be reproduced and sold worldwide. SpaceX didn't just build one rocket, it created reusable rockets that drastically reduced costs and allowed for rapid expansion. Action step. Think about your current career or business. Is it scalable? If not, what could you do to build a system that could potentially serve hundreds or thousands of customers? Can you automate or delegate tasks to free up your time? Start building your scalable system today. Tactic 4. Use other people's money. OPM. Wisely, Musk's companies didn't just rely on his own money to get started. They used funding from investors, public markets, and even government grants. SpaceX, for instance, raised billions in investment to make his vision of interplanetary travel a reality. While it's important to be cautious with debt, Musk's strategy of using other people's money to accelerate growth is a lesson to apply in your own financial strategy. You don't need to have all the capital yourself to start building wealth. Smart leverage can accelerate your journey. Musk was able to raise capital from investors who believed in his vision and were willing to take risks alongside him. By using this money wisely, Musk was able to grow Tesla and SpaceX at a faster pace than if he had relied solely on his own capital. Action step. If you're looking to start a business or invest, think about how you can use available funding sources to help you scale faster. Can you get an investor, a loan, or even crowdfunding? Don't be afraid to use leverage in a smart and responsible way to accelerate your wealth building. Tactic 5. Take big risks, but be prepared to fail. Musk is famous for taking risks that others deem reckless. He poured his own money into SpaceX when it was on the verge of failure and personally guaranteed Tesla's survival. His mindset is, if you're not risking, you're not trying hard enough. But here's the caveat. Those risks came with preparation. Musk didn't gamble blindly. He calculated and understood the potential rewards and risks before diving in. The lesson for you? You have to take risks to grow, but they should be calculated. Financial success rarely comes without taking on some risk, whether it's investing in stocks, starting a business, or pursuing a new career. Taking big risks can be scary, but if you want to build wealth, you can't be afraid to fail. Musk's failures with Tesla and SpaceX didn't end his journey. They were stepping stones toward success. If you approach risks with the mindset that failure is part of the process, you'll be much more prepared for success. Action step. Identify a calculated risk you can take in the next 30 days. It could be learning a new skill, investing in an asset, or launching a side hustle. Just make sure it's a risk you're prepared for. Remember, the bigger the risk, the bigger the potential reward. Tactic 6. Embrace failure as part of the process. Failure is not something Musk avoids. He embraces it. SpaceX had several rocket failures before it succeeded, and Tesla went through near bankruptcies multiple times. Musk says, failure is an option, but quitting is not. Each failure is a learning opportunity, and Musk uses every setback to improve. In fact, he believes that failure is essential to success. Action step. If you've faced failure recently, don't shy away from it. Look at what went wrong and how you can turn it into a stepping stone. Most successful people fail multiple times before they succeed. Treat failure as feedback, not defeat. Tactic 7. Master time management and focus. Musk's ability to juggle multiple companies and projects stems from his extreme focus and disciplined time management. He divides his day into 5-minute blocks and prioritizes tasks that drive the biggest results. Mastering time is a critical part of building wealth. You can't afford to waste time on tasks that don't contribute to your goals. Whether it's work, side hustles, or investments, every minute should serve a purpose. By focusing on what matters most, you can achieve more in a shorter time, which accelerates your wealth building. Musk's strict time blocking allows him to work in sprints, maintaining a high level of productivity without burning out. Action step: implement time blocking into your own schedule. Start with dedicating 90-minute blocks to your most important tasks. Eliminate distractions during those times and focus solely on high-value activities. Tactic 8. Leverage your network. Elon Musk didn't become successful in isolation. One of his core strategies has been building and leveraging his network of experts, investors, and talented individuals who support his vision. When Musk launched PayPal, Tesla, and SpaceX, he didn't do it alone. He surrounded himself with brilliant people who could help him achieve his goals. Networking, however, isn't just about knowing people. It's about connecting with those who share your vision, expertise, and drive. Musk is known for actively seeking out people who challenge him, who are experts in their field, and who can bring something new to the table. For your financial journey, this means creating strong relationships with people who can offer advice, investment opportunities, and strategic insights. Don't just network for the sake of it. Focus on building genuine relationships with individuals who can help you grow and offer you valuable insights. Musk's relationships with his investors, engineers, and advisors have been crucial to his company's success. They've helped him overcome obstacles, gain funding, and develop innovative technologies. Action step: think about your current network. Who are the key players that could help you on your financial journey? Are there people you admire in your industry? Start by reaching out and building genuine connections. Perhaps it's a mentor, an investor, or even a peer who shares similar financial goals. Tactic 9. Use social media to your advantage. Musk is a master of social media, particularly Twitter. Whether it's making bold claims about Tesla's stock price or sharing updates on SpaceX missions, Musk understands how to use his platform to influence public perception, rally support, and even drive sales. His use of social media is so effective that it directly impacts the success of his ventures. For you, using social media to your advantage means building your personal brand. Share your journey, your expertise, and your financial insights. Whether you're a creator, investor, or entrepreneur, social media can help you connect with like-minded individuals, promote your business, or even find new investment opportunities. When you build an online presence, you are essentially positioning yourself as a thought leader, attracting attention and opportunities that can propel you forward. Action step: take a moment to evaluate your current use of social media. Are you effectively leveraging it to promote your brand or business? Start by sharing valuable content, whether it's about your financial journey, business tips, or investment insights. Build your brand and network through social platforms. Tactic 10. Recognize and seize opportunities. Quickly, Elon Musk is known for moving quickly when it comes to recognizing opportunities. He took quick action when PayPal was on the verge of becoming a massive company, and he jumped on the opportunity to buy out Tesla and bring it to the forefront of the electric car market. Musk's ability to identify lucrative opportunities is a result of his deep understanding of technology, trends, and market dynamics. He doesn't wait for things to happen. He creates opportunities by acting fast and making bold decisions. When he saw the potential of electric vehicles, renewable energy, and space exploration, he seized it, even when others thought it was too risky. To build wealth like Musk, you need to do the same. Stay alert to new trends and emerging markets. Whether it's a new industry, a shift in consumer behavior, or technological advancements, there are always opportunities waiting to be seized. Action step: stay up to date with industry trends in your field. Read articles, attend seminars, or network with people who are in the know. The faster you act on opportunities, the greater your chances of success. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take action when you spot the chance. Tactic 11. Be obsessed with learning and innovation. Musk isn't just focused on running businesses, he's obsessed with learning and innovation. From engineering to physics to artificial intelligence, Musk constantly seeks knowledge to make informed decisions and improve his companies. In fact, Musk has a habit of diving into subjects and learning them in depth, even when they're outside his expertise. He famously taught himself rocket science before founding SpaceX. This level of dedication to self-education is a key factor in his success. For you, this means continually educating yourself about finance, business, and emerging technologies. The more you learn, the more you'll be able to identify new opportunities, make smarter investment choices, and build wealth more effectively. Action step. Dedicate time each week to learning something new, whether it's reading books, taking online courses, or attending webinars. Focus on areas that can help you grow financially, like investment strategies, business management, or new technologies. The more knowledge you acquire, the better equipped you'll be to build wealth. Tactic 12. Master cash flow and profit margins. Elon Musk has always been a master of managing cash flow and ensuring that his companies are profitable. While Tesla and SpaceX are known for their ambitious goals, Musk always emphasizes the importance of managing finances properly, especially when scaling a business. Many entrepreneurs make the mistake of focusing too much on growth and not enough on profitability. Musk's approach, however, is balanced. He focuses on growing his businesses sustainably while ensuring that they're financially sound. Tesla, for example, didn't become profitable overnight. Musk made strategic decisions to maintain cash flow and profit margins, which allowed the company to keep going despite early challenges. For anyone seeking financial success, managing your money wisely is key. Whether it's personal finances or a business, understanding how to balance income, expenses, and reinvestment is essential. Musk's success comes from ensuring that his companies never ran out of cash, even during tough times. Action step. Review your current cash flow, both personally and in your business. Where can you optimize? Are there areas where you're overspending? Look for opportunities to reduce expenses and increase your margins. The more efficiently you can manage your money, the better your chances of scaling and building wealth. Now that you've learned the 12 strategies Elon Musk uses to build his wealth, it's time to take action. These strategies are not just about making money, they're about creating a mindset of growth, solving big problems, and building systems that scale. Remember, building wealth is not a quick fix. It requires patience, persistence, and long-term thinking. It requires you to take risks, embrace failure, and continuously educate yourself. But with the right mindset, the right approach to networking, and the ability to spot opportunities, you can start applying these strategies to your own financial journey today. Whether you're working on building a business, investing, or just looking to improve your financial situation, these strategies will help you get there. Start with small steps. Change your mindset. Focus on solving problems and take calculated risks. Build systems that will scale and use your network to grow. Elon Musk's path to success wasn't easy, and it won't be for you either. But remember, every great success story starts with a decision to take action, and Musk's strategies can be the blueprint for your own financial journey.